Danny and I don't always travel in the truck camper. Sometimes we just like to take a short few days in a car. This time I'm gonna pack light and I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try taking all of my stuff in a backpack. Let's see how it goes. For this challenge, Tolaccea is letting us review their 30-liter travel laptop backpack, along with a set of their packing cubes, which are also compression. So I'm gonna show you how that works when we get to packing. I've laid out all my stuff for the trip on the bed. I've got a light jacket, some pajamas, my sandals, a dress just in case, my bathing suit, of course, with a cover-up and a hat. I've got 3 sets of shorts and my undergarments, and then I've got some makeup, toiletries, sunscreen, medicine, my wallet, charging cables, my water bottle. Of course, got to have my iPad, my headphones, my camera, and my microphones. Before we load this thing up, I'd like to get a baseline of how much it weighs. So I've got the scale here, and it is 2 pounds, 8.1 ounces. The packing cubes weigh 1 pound, 5.5 ounces. The manual is attached with this cool little cable that unscrews, so you can reuse this. The manual gives you all kinds of tips, tells you where you can store your laptop or iPad, where you can store water bottles, notebooks. It even has a hidden AirTag pocket, which is kind of cool. This is the compression cube set, so it's all in one bag. This is a laundry bag, so it helps to have a place to put your dirty clothes while you're gone. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bags that are inside of your big bag. These are compression bags, so they have 2 zippers. Right now it's in the compressed mode. When you expand that zipper all the way around, it expands another few inches. I may be a little overzealous in this because this looks like a lot of stuff, but let's just try it and see how it goes. All right, so this is the biggest one of the ones I'm using, so I'm gonna stick my shorts outfits in here. All right, so the way this works, this is a compression sack. So I zipped the first zipper, and now I can zip the second zipper to make it even more compact. And then next, we're gonna use, this is a long one. So I'm gonna roll my jacket up and put it in there. Set these 2 aside. Now let's use the teal one. I'm thinking my bathing suit would be good in here. Oops, I forgot my hat. Let's go ahead and stick my hat in there too. It's a packable, foldable hat, so it should be fine. Okay, so there's that one. I don't think I'm getting these really full enough to really benefit from the compression. So maybe I need to add some stuff to it. And these are my shorts outfits. I am gonna go ahead and put my dress in there, and there's still quite a bit of space. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my pajamas and my undergarments. Okay, now it's getting a little bit more full. Okay, so there's all that. I still have this one left, so I'm going to put a lot of my other stuff in. I think I'm gonna throw my toiletries in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my sunscreen in here, my medicine, and I think that's all oh, let's go ahead and try putting the makeup in here. Let's go ahead and expand this, make this a little taller. Close that up, and then let's go ahead and try compressing this back. All right, it does compress back. And what's cool is these actually have a little handle too. Now I just need to fit all of that into here. Inside of this is this little flap that you push down inside the bag, and that opens it up so it stands up a little bit. So now we're going to try putting all this in here. So first I'm going to start with this bag. This is my biggest bag. Wow, it's taken up a lot of space. But this long bag here, it'll slide down in here just fine. So there's that. That fits nicely. Let's go ahead and put my toiletries bag in here. That fits really nice. And that's all we're going to be able to fit in there. Now on the back, this opens up like a suitcase. So back here, we can put the iPad in the big compartment. Okay, my iPad is a little tough to slide in there because of the rubber case it's in, but it still fits. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my microphones and my camera and my headphones. And then I can throw my charging cables in these pockets here. My wallet I'm going to throw in this hidden pocket on the side right here. And this is not what I planned, but there are these straps on the front. I can undo that strap and I can just put the strap right here around my bag that has my bathing suit in it. Like that. And then this is an expandable pocket. Let's see if my shoes will fit in there. There's one. There's two. And the other pocket is expandable too. So I can throw my water bottle in there. All right. It's a lot more compact than I normally travel with. Let's go weigh this and see how much it weighs with everything in it. Holy cow. It weighs 19 pounds, 13.4 ounces. That's pretty heavy for a backpack. So now I'm going to put it on and see how it is on my back. All right, and it has this little clip here that you can clip if you want. Give it a little bit more security. That's what it looks like on. So you can hold on to it with this strap here, or it also has this strap here that you could put over a suitcase handle, or it has this handle right here that you can use to carry it as well. It's got a lot of different functionality. It stands up really nice. I like the flat bottom. What do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments. So did I manage to fit everything in the backpack for a long weekend trip? Pretty much everything was either inside the backpack or attached to it, so I'm happy with that. Now at 20 pounds, I wouldn't want to carry it around all day, but for a quick throwing it in the car and getting it out to take into a hotel or an Airbnb, I think that works. So I'm happy with it. I'd recommend it. I'm also happy with the Tolaccea packing compression cubes. The ones I used are made for 20-inch luggage. 3 of them fit perfectly in the backpack. And the other one can be attached outside, so I'm happy with those too. The laundry bag that they include makes a nice addition as well. Thanks for watching our review of the Tolaccea 30-liter backpack, along with the packing compression cubes, and we'll see you next time. In the meantime, keep dreaming.